Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a specific link for any particular row. Let's say there is a large data and you want to highlight only a specific row um, to a person with whom you're sharing with. Let's say if you want to highlight from 5 to 8, so select all the rows and then take a right click and then click on view more actions and then get link to this range. Now the link is already copied. Let's say if you want to share with someone, then let's say open this link. Okay, I'm gonna enter. So first it will show the entire sheet, but when it fully loaded, when it gets fully loaded, so it will only show the rows which I shared, which I selected to share. So in this way you can easily highlight, okay, I'm referring to this rows or columns which I wanted to highlight. So that is it from my end. Thank you so much for watching.